If you want to remove table borders in LibreOffice Writer, this video will show you the quickest and easiest way to do it. Whether you're cleaning up a document, making a table look more professional, or just want a cleaner layout, removing the border lines can make a big difference. And don't worry, even if you still see faint lines afterward, I'll explain exactly what those mean too. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look to the left side under Create and click on Writer Document. This opens a new LibreOffice Writer file where you can work with text, tables, and formatting. If your table is already inside an existing document, you can open that file instead and follow along from there. Now, click anywhere inside the table you want to edit. This is important because LibreOffice needs to know which table you want to change. Once your cursor is inside the table, right-click directly inside it. A menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Table Properties. This is where all of the table formatting options are stored, including borders, spacing, alignment, and background settings. When the Table Properties window opens, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Borders tab. This tab controls the visible lines around the table and around each cell. If you want to completely remove the border, look for the option that says No Borders, or the No Lines option, depending on your version of LibreOffice. Select that option to turn off the table border display. After selecting No Borders, click OK to apply the changes. Your table should now appear without the border lines. In many cases, the table will look much cleaner and more minimal right away. Now, here's something important to know. You may still see faint grid lines around the table after removing the borders. A lot of people think the border is still there, but usually these are just non-printing guidelines used for preview and editing. They help you see the structure of the table while working in the document, but they do not show up when you print the file, export it as a PDF, or share it with others. So if you still see those light lines on screen, don't panic. Your actual border has been removed. If you want to double-check your work, you can go to Print Preview or export the document as a PDF. That's the easiest way to confirm that the table is truly borderless in the final version. This is especially useful if you're creating forms, reports, assignments, or professional-looking documents where you want the table to blend in naturally with the page. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove table borders in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps. Open LibreOffice, select your table, go to Table Properties, open the Borders tab, choose No Borders, and click OK. It's fast, easy, and very useful once you know where the setting is. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more LibreOffice tips, computer shortcuts, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.